let's talk about adjective. So first of all, let us define adjective. What are adjectives? Those are the words we use to describe nouns. Okay? So when we describe something or someone, we want to qualify what type and what kind, what nature, what quality and what number, as well as what color. Okay? So that's what we call an adjective. So an adjective is a word we use to describe nouns. So let us have an example of adjective. For example, a new book, it describes the nature of the book. So what it means that the book is still new. Right, a blue bus, it shows or it describes the color of the bus. Also, we have 20 boys. Maybe I was sending to include 20 boys. What does it reflect or what it means? The number of boys. So you find out that we want to the quality and the type, the kind, the nature, the number, the color of a noun, of everything. That's what we call an adjective. Our last example, French sausage. It means what? The origin of the sausage. So maybe it originated from France. Okay? Right. Now, let's talk about use of adjective. Adjective. What are the use of adjective? So, normally we use adjective to distinguish or to clarify or specify what we are describing. Okay? So, one specific thing we are describing. For example, we talk about numbers. We also mention color. Okay? So, we place the adjective just before the noun we are describing. Okay? So, we place the adjective just before the noun we are describing. Right. Let us have an example. Right. We have the statement say she is not naive. Okay? So, meaning to say the word naive became our adjective. Another example, I am a bit nervous, or the gathering was massive. What does the word massive mean? It reflects the number of the gathering. So what it means that we place the adjective just before the noun we are describing. Chatungbo describe nezvacho. Ndiani watumbotaura nezvake kana kuti name yatumbotaura nezvake ndei. So tinobva taisa an adjective pamberi. Okay? So you find out we have what we call natural adjective. We also have the hard or the natural adjective. Is not a hard or a natural adjective. These are words which are naturally meant to be adjective in the role as part of speech. This one. Here is example. Maybe in speech tinema words that toshanisana big, cruel, new, large, wise, bright, and hard. So what are we saying in conclusion? Chatinotiso adjective. I word rinoti batsira kuti tizive exactly chinhu chatiri kuda na chatiri kuda kana kuti rinot describe a noun. For example, color ndizo tinowana quality yechinhu, tinowana origin. For example, kuti maybe a French sausage pamwe yakatangira kuti ku France naika. Also the tower is about the blue color, so it reflects the color. Tikataura about number, the 20 what boys. So uchaona kuti an adjective rino iswa iro pamashure pechi penam, so that rinotibatsiridza kuti tizive kuti alright chinhu chataura nezvacho maybe pamwe tutaura about a bus ndizo right. Saka tiri kuda color rebus tobva tati isusu a blue what color. Maybe we are talking about the boys ndizo tikuda number yeboys tobva tati isusu 20 boys. We are talking about a book tiri kuda isusu the origin of the book kana the nature of the book tobva tati a new what a new book. So ndo chatinoti isusu adjective.